Good morning, gentlemen. It is December 20th. We are actually about to start our last cleanup of the 2023 mowing season. It's been one hell of a year, and I'm just super excited. You know, we're at Wawa right now up here, and you can see that Santa Claus right there. That's Rick right there. You see him? See this motherfucker? Look at him. Look at him. He doesn't know where I was. I was at this pump right here. He don't know where I was. Look at him. Look at that fucking badass. Look at him. Oh, look at him. Fucking loser. Anyway, so we are wrapping up the mowing season today. Actually, well, tomorrow will be technically the last day. We're going to clean all the machines, pressure wash them all, clean the trucks out for the season. And you look very cute.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. We're going to clean out the trucks for tomorrow, pressure wash everything. The last 2 days of the season. How's your season, Rick?
Oh, it was great, dude. I had a fantastic, oh damn, I look good, shit. I had a fantastic fucking time, man.
So his first year, and truthfully, he picked everything up very quickly. You didn't really have that much experience prior, or did you?
Not like on a zero turn, no, but like cutting grass, yeah, because I used to cut grass back in Texas with my dad.
Yeah.
But I mean, other than that, not on a zero turn or nothing like that, no.
Okay. Well, he picked it up very quick. I'd say within the first 2.5 months, you had pretty much everything on the zero turn picked up. And I know there's a lot of guys out there who don't really like doing that when it comes to, like, if you're an owner of a company or a crew head, you don't like putting the new guy on a machine. I firmly believe, and I said this to you, like, throw your guys on every machine possible so they get comfortable. In case of an emergency, if something happens to you or maybe your crew head or whatever happens, that person can actually like do the work still and get it done. Maybe not at the same quality as an experienced vet, maybe, but it's the job still getting done. You still get paid. So that's kind of my thought process. I'm really proud of you this year.
Oh, thanks.
We got this cleanup though today.
Yep.
Let's wrap it up.
Yes,
let's
sir.
get shit. Let's get to
Let's
work.
get it
let's
done.
get to work. Let's get to work.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we got the whole back done. We still have this entire front to do. We're going to chop up, basically going to mulch everything. We got mulching kits on both of our zero turns right now. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to, the customer said we could put them under those evergreens right there. So that's basically where we're shooting them to, and then everything along the curve we're going to take and just pick up and haul out of here. Because it doesn't make any sense to blow it all in the lawn when it's already piled up right here. We can just come up with the truck and easily just take it away. So that's our plan. We're gonna set up everything. We're gonna run 2 mowers and let's get back to work. So before I actually get started helping Rick mow, basically the reason we're doing this cleanup so late in the season is because we have been getting nor'easters every other weekend, it feels like, and into like Monday and Tuesday of the following week. So we're so behind. Well, this is our last cleanup, but it's almost Christmas, and normally we're done by like middle of December up here in PA. So you know, you got to work with the weather, you got to work with what it does. But I don't know what it's like for you guys wherever you are in this beautiful country. But for us, we are wrapping up our season. The grass is still it's a wild time, dude. The last 2 years have just been crazy weather-wise up here. But I'm curious, what's the weather like where you guys are at? What was that?
I said these shrubs look really nice. I wonder who does them.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's crazy.
They look really good.
It's such a goofball. Grab a lunch at the place that we do, right?
Yeah.
Season's a wrap, baby. Alright guys, so that is a wrap on today's video. I just got home a little bit ago and I made dinner. We made tacos tonight for me, my fiance, and Richard and his girlfriend, and we're gonna have a little family dinner tonight, which is awesome. They're at the gym currently, but I just wanted to say thank you guys. Anyone new who subscribed recently, you know, this is obviously a startup channel. We've been posting a lot of shorts throughout this summer. This year has been so great for me and my company and everything that we want to do with our business here in Bucks County, PA, with JWD Landscaping and so many other different things that we want to do, whether it's Laurel Candle with my fiance or just an expansion with this company. So I just truly appreciate the growth that I've seen so far. It's very, very little, but it still means a lot to me, that to know that people are watching. You know, the content that I'm creating in this industry, in this lawn care industry that I'm so passionate about, there's other people out there who also enjoy the same shit that I enjoy, and that means a lot to me. So thank you guys for checking out the channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so if you enjoyed the content. If not, I totally understand. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow.